R1 Rider coming back at you with another video. What's going on, everybody? God dang, it feels good to be back. Haven't recorded a video in a little while. I have actually been very busy between work and I've been going to school in Charlotte, North Carolina. As a lot of everyone knows, I mentioned it before, I'm a mechanic, and they've been sending me to a lot of classes. Next month, July, I've got like 5 separate classes, and it's pretty much like 2-3 days out of the week I go to Charlotte out of, you know, each week of the month. So it's kind of hard, man. But yeah, oh my gosh, also I sold my R1. Yes, I finally sold it. I had it listed for a while now, and finally somebody came and was like, yo, I got cash today, and I was like, all right, come pick it up. I had it listed for a little while, and actually it was his first bike. 19-year-old kid convinced his parents to let him get it, and it's an R1, and his dad's gonna teach him how to ride. I mean, that's kind of, I mean, don't get me wrong, as long as you're smart. I mean, I wouldn't do it. I didn't do it, and I wouldn't recommend it, but he did. He started on a 1000, so as long as you're smart, I guess, you know, you can be okay. So, yep, sold my R1, and I'm going to ride around on the ground for a little while, and then eventually I'm going to list this as well and sell it. And I'm looking at getting a newer R1, like 2015, 2016-ish area. So let me know if you guys are excited to see that, man. But yeah, eventually I'm going to get rid of this and save up for a newer R1, man. I'm excited. It kind of sucks. I'm going to miss my R1. That was my baby, but you know, I got bigger, better plans. We're gonna meet up with Sean today. I think we're gonna go practice some wheelies. I got 2 bars of gas. I'm gonna try to make it there. Oh, snap, crackle pop. Oh my god, dude, I ate like a fat kid in Charlotte. I really did. P.F. Chang's, Chick-fil-A. Love me some Chick-fil-A and P.F. Chang's, boy. It is hot as hell outside. I've been thinking about changing my YouTube name, but I mean, it kind of sucks because I really did just get 500 cards, you know, spam cards saying R1 Rider, but that's unfortunate. But yeah, I've been thinking about changing it because I don't want to be designated to just like R1. Like, don't get me wrong, I think I'm always gonna have an R1, but you know, just in case I decide to get, you know, a second bike, you know, just like I did the Honda Grom. But I don't know, man. Hey, how's it going? Oh man, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make it to Sean's place on 2 bars of gas. Damn, man. Yeah, it's gonna suck not being able to ride this summer on the R1, but you know, like I said, I really want to get a newer one, something that's, you know, low mileage, not necessarily brand new, you know, low mileage, you know, something that I'm very proud of. You know, with this one I had really bad buyer's remorse, and I fixed everything that I needed, you know, but like I said, I want all the goodies, like the ABS, traction control, all that good stuff. Like, I love the dash on the new R1s. Got the kickstand up. Noob. Alright, now we're finally pulling up to Sean's. Alright guys, see y'all in a minute. I almost forgot to turn my GoPro, man. Oh my gosh. That's how long it's been. But alright guys, I got Sean. He's on the Z125. We're gonna go back and practice some wheelies. I think my buddy Dave's behind me. What's up, Dave? What up, man? I was like, I don't know who this is, and then I saw the truck. I was like, I know exactly who that is. Be safe, bro. Yo! What? What happened? Yo! What? What? Where are you? Where's that? Is that by a gas station? Why'd you pull over? I was like, where the fuck is he, dude? What?
Yeah.
No wonder why I was idling high.
No, it wasn't like that until like right down the road. Fuck you, bro. It really was long. I gotta have you put that back on.
Bro, what happened here?
Yeah, my fucking fairing.
It popped off doing a wheelie?
No, that bitch like the tags and shit.
Dog, why is it everything you have you destroy? You're so rough on bikes. You're so rough on bikes. I'm disappointed, bro. Alright guys, so while Sean fixes his rigged up bike, I'll see you guys in a minute. Eventually, after I get my like Dream R1, guys, I really want to get a stunt bike and start learning. Oh God! Did you see that? Keep it. God dang, dude! I'm going. I keep on forgetting to hit my rear brake though. That's the bad thing. To me. Hey, bro, check me out on YouTube. Here, I got a spam card for you. Hang on. Here you go, bro. I had an R1. I actually just sold it yesterday, and then eventually I'm gonna sell this one, get a new one. So yeah, definitely got.
Verify. You gotta get that angle. Like it's hard to do.
It really is. But yeah, man.
You be on YouTube right now?
Yeah, bro. Definitely check me out, man.
I got you. Y'all be safe. Don't get hurt.
Awesome. Nah, I ain't gonna do all that now. Him on the other hand, he will. He'll get hurt. Not me.
He gets hurt, take him to the hospital.
Yeah, more than once I have. Yeah. I've been blessed enough, but everyone has their moments. Yeah, for real. You too, bub. Woo! You almost went. Oh, damn, send it down hard, boy. Oh my God! Told you. What? Yeah. I know you saw that.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh shit! No! Damn it! Damn it! Can't sell the Grom. How's the GoPro? Fuck, yeah. My first one ever. Hell yeah.
Oh, I knew it!
What broke? Fuck. That's boonky. Right here is fine. Well, guys, I looped the bike. Unfortunately, I was gonna sell it and everything else, but now I guess I've gotta either keep it and save up for a newer one, or I don't know. Well, that sucks. Shit happens. Alright guys, what is going on? I think I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. Go ahead and pop some little wheelies on the way out. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you leave a like on it, and also subscribe if you're new to the channel. Sean, it's been good riding with you, Bubba. And as always, y'all stay blessed, ride safe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.